Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following trigonometry in triangle question. We have a handyman attempts to reach the roof of a hall with a ladder 5 meters in length. Unfortunately, the ladder is too short and a new ladder would be required. Suppose that the length of the ladder needed to reach the top has to be double the distance from the foot of the ladder to the wall. Also, the angle between his current ladder and the ground will need to be equal to the angle between the two ladders. The first question says calculate the value of theta, and the second question, answer otherwise, determine what length the ladder should be to get the handyman to the roof. I'm going to start with the first part of the question that says calculate the value of theta. Using the bigger triangle, that is the ladder that reaches the top, because it's a wall that is perpendicular to the ground level, so I have my right angle as shown. So if I draw a rough sketch of the ladder and the wall as shown, I have the right angle, then I have the length of the ladder 2x, I have the distance from on the ground x, and theta plus theta, that's the total angle between the longer ladder and the ground, that's theta plus theta, which is 2 theta. I'm going to use the trig ratio, and the acronym is my S0HCAHTOA. This helps me in remembering the ratio for each of the trig ratios. And then I'm going to start by labeling the side of my triangle. The side facing the reference angle will be my opposite. And then I have the side facing the right angle will be my hypotenuse. And because the triangle has just 3 sides, the last side for the right angle triangle is my adjacent. So if you look at what I have the adjacent as shown, and then I have the hypotenuse. And the trig ratio that uses adjacent and hypotenuse is my cosine as shown. So therefore, my cosine of the angle given, that's my angle 2 theta, equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So I'm going to put in the values. I have cos 2 theta equals, the adjacent is x and the hypotenuse is 2x. I'll start by simplifying. I have x in x, 1. So therefore, my cos 2 theta equals 1 over 2. The next step is to move my cosine to the right hand side, so it becomes 2 theta equals the arc cos of 1 over 2. To get the arc cos of 1 over 2 on your calculator, that's the second function of your cosine button on your calculator, and you're going to have 2 theta, that will give you 60 degrees. Therefore, to find theta, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 into 1, therefore the value of theta equals 30 degrees. For the second part of the question, we have to determine the length of the ladder that should get the handyman to the top of the roof. The second ladder that would take the handyman to the top of the roof has a length 2x meters. To find that, I need to find the value of x first. So using the smaller triangle as shown, I'm going to draw that out to have my right angle as shown. So the smaller triangle has dimensions x. I have this as theta, which is now 30 degrees from the first part of the question, and the length of the smaller ladder is 5 meters. So therefore, to find x, I'm going to start by labeling the sides of my right angle triangle in order to know the trig ratio to use. Starting with the side facing the reference angle, that's my opposite. The side facing the right angle, that's my hypotenuse. And the last side is my adjacent. So therefore, because I know my adjacent and hypotenuse, I'm going to use my cos, that's cosine. So I have cos theta, which is 30 degrees in this case, equals adjacent over my hypotenuse, and adjacent to our hypotenuse here is x over 5. So therefore, if I cross multiply, the value of x will be 5 times cos of 30 degrees. So the value of x equals 5 root 3 over 2, which is also equal to 4.33 meters to 2 decimal places. And to find the length of the ladder, I have my ladder that will get the underman to the roof. The distance as shown from the diagram is 2x, which is equal to 2 times 5 root 3 over 2, which is equal to 5 root 3 meters, which is also equal to, if I want to write that in decimal, it's 8.66 meters. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Bye.